Hi, I am Rohit, a developer from India. My grandmother takes 6 different medication every single day for hypertension, diabetes, and a heart condition. Last year, her doctor added a new painkiller. Nobody checked if it was safe with her existing medication, and guess what? It wasn't. I I came to think that lot of people faces same issue. Then I searched across the internet and found that roughly 1,25,000 preventable deaths and up to 10% of all hospitalization costs yearly in the USA only. That's a huge number. So this experience made me think that this is a problem that AI can genuinely solve, not with a reminder app, not with a chatbot, but with a proper multi-agent system that actually understands the full picture. That's why I built MedGuard. Let me show you how it is work. So come to our orchestral PY. So MedGuard is built on Google's Agent Development Kit ADK as a true multi-agent system. At the top of is the orchestral agent. It received every user request and routed to the right specialist. Under it there are three agents, the scheduler agents. It's own the medication database. It tracks every doses, every schedules, every refill countdown. Second is the interaction agent. This is the safety gate. Every time a new medication is proposed, the agent checks it against our custom MCP server, a local drug interaction database with 49 nodes dangerous combination. If the interaction is severe, it hard block the medication. And third, the notifier agent. It sends reminder to the patient, and if a dose is missed beyond a grace window, it escalates to the caregiver, but only with a minimal information, no full medication list, no medical condition, just with dose and how late. That's privacy by design. So come to our README file. So this entire project was built using Google Antigravity, the agent first development environment. You can see the project. You can see the where. Okay, here it is. You can see the project is structure here. The agent folder, the MCP server, the security module, models, tests, Docker files, all of it. Anti-gravity helped me scan fold each agent step by step, retrieving the plan before writing, maintaining context across all prompts, and generating the security layer test and deployment configuration. Every file has detailed comments, explain not just what the code does but why each desired decision was made. So come to our terminal. Now let me show you the demo. This run completely offline, no API key needed, so you can reproduce this exactly from the GitHub repo. Hmm. Watch what happened. The all three cases is successfully run. Let's talk about the all three cases separately. So there are first case, the scheduler plus reminder. The scheduler agent retrieve today's medication schedules and fire a dose reminder. Notice the format: medication name, schedule, time, what has been taken, still pending. This is what Asa see in her phone. Step 2, interaction check. So step 2, interaction check. So firstly, it is tried to add warfarin 5 mg. So the decision is blocked because the warfarin 5 mg is the dangerous combination to ASA. And for the second attempt, we will try to add ibuprofen 400 mg twice a day. So this is a quite decent combination for ASA. It's help us to improve his health. So the decision is approved. Okay, then come to our three agents. Third agent, ASA missed her amlodipine doses by 90 minutes. The notifier agent detects it and escalates to the her caregiver, her daughter Priya. Now look at the privacy controls box. The caregiver receives Asa's first name, which drug was missed, and now late it is. She does not receive the dosage strength ASA's other medication or her medication. The structure privacy and from the code, not just a system prompt instruction. So, MedGuard also ships with a visual dashboard. A single HTML file that can read the patient data and audit log directly. No server needed. You can see ASA's today's schedule here, each medication with its status, the 7-day adherence chart, so dose history per medication, and the audit log section, so every data access that happened during our demo, which agent read what was exactly when. So the full code is public on GitHub, link in the description. The README covers the complete architecture, setup, instruction, required environment variable, security model, and how to run the demo. To run it yourself, clone the repo, copy in environment.example to environment and your Google API key, and run python main.py hyphen demo. No paid APIs, no external services. It works completely offline. So, MedGuard demonstrates that AI agent can solve real problem, not just answer question, but enforce safely rules, protect sensitive data, and make life generally safer for vulnerable people. This is my submission for the concierge agent track of the Kaggle AI agent caps lock, built with Google ADK, MCP anti-gravity, and a lot of care of getting the privacy model right. That's all from my side. Thanks.